Hey there, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over at FXAce.com, and what another fantastic week we had in the FX markets. And this video, we're going to go over my trade of the week. So I'm going to make these videos a little bit shorter at the end of each week, just detailing my results. I'll just show you the one trade, the trade of the week, but I'll also show you the actual results of all our positions. So first off, I'll actually show you the results of the positions we took this week. We had 3 trades, and 3 trades, all 3 made money. Okay, we closed early on Friday morning. This Euro Kiwi did go on an extra, I think, another 90 pips on Friday. Okay, we made good profit on our positions already Friday morning, so I decided to close early and have the day off. Okay, so 230 pips was pretty good. Trade of the week was the Swiss franc Japanese yen. It did move another 60 or 70 pips also on Friday, okay, from our position, but we finished the week with 230 pips and also a nice trade on the Aussie Kiwi. So in this video, I'm going to go over the Swiss franc Japanese yen position. Okay, you can see we've had another fantastic month in the markets. Okay, first week we lost 50 pips. We made around 190 pips between both daily and weekly. In the second week, last week we gained around 200 pips, and then this week again another 230 pips. So going nicely. The live tracked account, okay, you can see this week was pretty good on it. This month so far 2%, which is compared to the other months, okay, is pretty good, but we've still got 1 week left, and you can see the account is growing nicely, and the link to track this account is below. Okay, this is a live account at Fusion Markets. Okay, so let's get over to the charts. Trade of the week was Swiss franc Japanese yen. I'm going to show you exactly why I was entering this position. Okay, just move these, let this go a little bit better. Okay. Okay, so basically based off weekly zone. So if you're new to my channel and you're not, you don't really know how I trade, I look at the higher time frames for entry levels. Sorry, not entry levels. Support, resistance, supply and demand, buy and sell areas on weekly and monthly charts. And then I'll zoom into the lower time frames and look for evidence of price action slowing down, momentum slowing down, coming into these areas of interest. Okay, so area that I'm looking at this week was, okay, this area here. Okay, basically this was a kind of resistance before, okay, and then the market this held for a long time, this area. You can see this was a very strong resistance area that price was coming back down into, and then earlier this year it broke out of this area and it's made its way back, the price has made its way back down to that area here. This is the actual zone, the leg that started this move up, and we'll see this a lot more clearly on the daily chart. So price has made its way back down into this area, and you can see we get the huge reaction at this new support, old resistance area. That's the reason I was looking to take this trade this week. Okay, we were looking to enter at 117,600, and you can see it just more or less came down to our entry by around 8 pips and rocketed off on Monday morning. So it's basically went our way the whole week. If we look at, we didn't get as such diversions coming down into this area, but what we did get, we had these nice drops and then price action slowing down. But if we look at the 1 hour charts, you can see we did start to get sideways movement as the market starts to come down into this area, the 117,600 area. But again, the main reason for taking this position was this very strong old resistance area that was taken out earlier this year. And let's have a look here. If we look at this area here on the daily charts, okay, right at that line is the leg start, right at the new support area, old resistance is this leg start at 117, and untested, market's coming down to tested this leg start and this was the move that caused this high here. A lot of buying pressure at this level before. Okay, again, very strong resistance before on the higher time frames, and again, new support on the higher time frames. Also, you can see as price comes down to this area, a nice descent into it, very strong drop into this area. All indications that this is going to be a good rally up to the upside. That's exactly what happened. Okay, finished the week at 119, 200. So around from my entry price around 220 pips was on the cards for this. We got around 150. That again, we closed early on Friday morning. Okay, so that was the position. That's the results this week. You can track our live account via the link below in the description area. Okay, if you want to get access to either my trade copy service where I do all the trading for you, or my signal service, simply click the link below in the description area of the video. If you have any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. Have a fantastic weekend. Will over at fxace.com.